Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to set up Anaconda on Windows 10 machine. So let's start by installing Anaconda. So I am on my browser with Google open and here I'm tapping install Anaconda. So once you type there, you will get a very first link, Anaconda documentation. So click on this and on the left hand side, you can see installing on Windows. On clicking on this, you will get a new page, and on the point 1 you can see download the Anaconda installer. So as soon as you will click on this installer, it will get downloaded onto your local machine. So for me, I have already downloaded, so I will quickly double click it and start the installation process. Click on next, and these are some of the legal terms which we need to agree. And you can choose whether you want installation only for yourself or for all the users who are going to log in on this machine. So I'm going with just me. And this is the important step. Here you need to mention the path. Where do you want to install this? So whatever path you are choosing, all the packages will go in this particular path. So for me, I'm choosing C drive. I can make a new folder with the name Anaconda 3. So now everything will go inside this. So if you're not sure whether to add or not, I would recommend you to check both these checkboxes and let the installation begin. So click on next. And this is if you want documentation, then you can check these both the checkboxes and click on finish. So it is installed. Next, what we will be doing is we will go and open the command prompt. So I'm on my command prompt, and first thing what we need to do is to activate a Conda environment. So that can be done by using activate root. So on clicking on typing this command, you can say that you can see the additional word base got added in front of the command prompt, right? So once it appears here, next thing which we will be doing is to open the Jupyter notebook. So click on Jupyter Jupyter notebook, and doing this will create a local server. So it may take few seconds, and okay, so it got kicked off, and now you can see that server has started and we got a new tab open in our default browser. So this looks similar to Windows Explorer, where you have folder structure like this, and inside folder you may have your files. So now to create a new notebook, you can click on new on the right side, and here you can see Python 3. So click on this, and it will launch a new notebook wherein you can type your code. Let's say print. Okay, so let's give a try to this one, and you can see that code got executed successfully. So this is how we can set up our machine with Anaconda. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.